Introducing advanced cooling tower solutions by Case Group. Hot water from industrial processes enters the cooling tower from the top. Into the cooling tower, hot water is sprayed over high-efficiency anti-clog fill media to increase evaporation surface area. Air is drawn through the cooling tower bottom, causing a small portion of water to evaporate using latent heat of evaporation from rest of the water. The cooled water collects in the basin and is recirculated back to the system. Heat is released safely into the atmosphere as water vapor. Case cooling towers are built with corrosion-resistant materials like FRP, stainless steel, etc. The system design is highly efficient for reliable and sustainable performance. Case Group, engineering efficient and sustainable cooling solutions.